Hi, I am Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Today we discuss how to remove plagiarism. First we need to understand. What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is the representation of another author's language, thoughts, ideas, or expressions as one's own original work. Now going to main topic. In this tutorial we are going to talk about a tool that work 100% accurate. So let's start. First thing you need to open Google Chrome. First Google tab you need to open SpeedWrite. That is the best site for removing and changing your plagiarism from your research paper, thesis. Open SpeedWrite. Next Google tab you need to open Plagiarism Detector. I am going to use the plagiarism detector. So this is our plagiarism checking software. So let's scan. For example, there is a certain material we are going to copy from the internet. You can check your research paper's plagiarism. For example, we are going to copy the definition of management. So copy this text and put into the plagiarism detector. Now we are going to check the plagiarism and plagiarized work. Paste on plagiarism detector and click on the check plagiarism. Now wait for the few seconds and you will get the percentage of your plagiarized work. So here you can see it is 100% plagiarized work. That text you have copied 100% plagiarized. Now go back to SpeedWrite. SpeedWrite is the fast text generator. Here you can see you need to copy at least 100 words. Okay, so you need to put a bit or lengthy paragraph. So first go to the website. For example, we are going to copy the text.
Copy it from here. Copy and paste it in SpeedWrite. At least 100 words must be there. Now you can see this is our first paragraph, that is the management. Now click on the button Predict and this text has been created. Now you can see that the paragraph is converted in new text.
Now we are going to check it, whether it is plagiarized or not. So we are going to copy this text from here and paste on plagiarism detector.
So delete the previous text and paste the copied text here. Now click on plagiarism checker.
Now we are going to check the plagiarism and plagiarized work. Paste on plagiarism detector and click on the check plagiarism. Wait few seconds for the results. Plagiarism is working on the text and in few seconds we will get the result. So here you can see that this is 100% unique work. There is no any plagiarism. As you can see, this website has converted the text very perfectly. There are no any grammatical mistake and there is no misinterpretation of the words. This is 100% working website. Thank you for watching. I hope you can easily understand how to remove plagiarism in 5 minutes. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.